This is the tool you need when you have problem with your Samsung Galaxy S20 pin. So all you have to do is to use the tool and pull the heat out, because what happened is I drop the pin and I break the tip of the, but you can change it. So I got some of the replacement here. I have white, black, and this little thing here, this one, this is the one that you're gonna put in. That's it. Slowly, mom. So it's in already. Okay, let's try it. Oh, it's working good. It's working good. Now I can write properly. Because last time it's, oh my gosh, I got a big problem last time. It won't work. It won't write. It's just like it write a little bit and then it stop. And then I realized, oh, that's the tip. That's a problem. But I've got replacement, so it's fine. So now it's working good. So let me show you. It's this one. It's this very, very small. Let me try to. Yeah, it's this. Oh, so it's yeah. There's a problem there. It's the tip. Okay, but this one is working good now. Yeah. Let's erase everything. Let's erase and write again. Oh, it was good. Can write perfectly. Look, erase, and then let's try another application. We get lots of pin up. I like this one. Yeah, this is where I usually draw. Sometimes I make sketches of what I'm trying to imagine, and then build it. Okay, let me erase the numbers on this square. Yeah, I'll change the line. You can change the lines, make it a bit bigger. We'll erase this first. Erase it. Now it's working. Can erase that one. Erase it. Okay. So everything is out now. Yes, that's it. Erase this line, all of it. Yeah, just follow the lines when you erase it. That's it. This is one thing I like with Samsung, because I can draw, I can paint, I can produce like digital paintings with this pen, and sometimes it's easier to express your imagination of what you're